Giggity.
Shamrock Creek.
So we're going to put these panels at 45 degrees because we're right about that at latitude, which should be good enough for now. They won't be exactly on. So I'm just going to use my framing square to get a nice 45-degree angle set on these. We're going to add 400 more watts of solar power to the cargo trailer. The charge time for the amount of sun I'm getting this time of year, and with the weather kind of getting crappy, isn't quite enough to keep the Starlink system powered, so it shuts off at some point, and then the inverter doesn't come back on, which is super annoying. I'm also replacing that inverter. It was just one I threw in there to try, but I've actually got a really nice Victron, and I'm going to put that in there instead so I can control it better remotely. So I'm not going to actually mount these panels to the roof of the cargo trailer because they're only temporary to support this system. Once we get either the cabin or the cargo container solar online, the Starlink will move to that anyways. So I just need to keep it up for a while. So using these just inexpensive panel brackets, we're going to probably put those on a wood frame so it can sit on the ground and not blow away. We'll mount the panel on here, splice it in through the distribution system on the solar that's on the cargo container, and get us 400 extra watts of panels, at least until we get everything moved. So first one done. Distribution block so I can feed all 4 panels into one set of wires into the solar charger. I didn't need that before because there was only one set of wires coming from the existing panels. Now that we have panels on the outside on those brackets that we just built and panels on the roof, I need to combine those. So I guess in theory it's a combiner, but if you reversed it, it'd be a distributor. Whatever. Finished up adding 400 more watts of solar off these two. So these are semi-mobile. We can pick them up and move them if we have to. They're just connected into the cargo trailer, which already has a couple hundred watts up on the roof. So this will augment that so we can get more power for longer as the days get shorter and the weather gets crappier. So just finished wiring all that in. Since we're adding additional panels that weren't part of the connections on the roof, we had to add a combiner, which combines all the panels, the mobile ones we added on the ground, with the ones up on the roof, still all 24 volt into the solar charger. And also replaced the inverter with this really awesome Victron Phoenix. It's a little bit smaller output, but it's perfect for running the Starlink and the couple small AC items we need in the cargo trailer. This additional wattage should help a lot on keeping that system up 24/7.